I'm Sally and thanks for buying your Bandits lower limb product. This is just going to be a short video to run over how to put on the kit to get the most out of your training. So first of all, we want to apply the leg straps. So opening them up, we want to end up with the silver clips on the outside. It's best if the band is placed around the lower third of your thigh. We want to place it on really tight as well, especially if we're working with shiny lycra like I am today. So wrap it around, pull it tight and bring it in. Next, we want to apply our resistance bands. So we have lots of different colors here that all mean something. The yellow one is the lightest, then we move to red. We have green, blue, and you may also have a black product in your bag. The blue and the black ones are for high resistance, and I would save the black really for the athletic male. When you use your straps, measure them up. One will be very slightly longer than the other one. The longer one wants to connect the two front clips together, and the shorter one will connect the two rear clips together. So you end up with a loop of resistance running around the thighs. And then you're ready to work out. So remember, you want to keep your knees, shins and feet in alignment if you're squatting and lunging, and work against the band. That's the whole point of having this resistance here. This kit is very mobile, so even if you are running, kicking, lunging, doing push-ups, the band can stay on and you don't need to change anything. If you want to see instant results or the instant effect of these bands, you can literally just unclip them and clip them to themselves again. And then continue with your training. So continue with your lunging or continue with lifting your legs if you're doing kicks or running. And then you can feel the instant change through the hips and pelvis having used the resistance. I hope you enjoy your lower limb product. If you have bought one of our upper limb products, I'm just going to give you a quick guide on how to get the most from that. So in your kit you'll have two what are ankle straps, but we're going to use these as your anchor or tether point. The band is going to just clip on to the one silver buckle. This strap now can tether around a pole or maybe around a branch or some sturdy furniture. Probably wants to be at about shoulder height. You also have two handles in your kit, and they are going to go on the bottom of the bands that you're going to be working with. Now, if you want, you can have multiple bands hanging off this clip. Again, the red is a bit easier, the green a little bit harder, and the blue that I just showed you was the hardest. So once you've got your two handles up, clipped on here, and this is tethered, you can start doing some of your upper limb program. If you don't have a pole or tether point, you can use this door anchor. So we're going to just thread part of the ankle strap through, securely Velcro it to itself, make sure it's nice and strong, and then we place this in the door and then close the door behind you. It has a little knob in it that will stop it coming through. If you are training using this behind the door, make sure nobody comes in during your workout. So you may want to put a little poster on the outside of the door just to remind people that you're doing your training. Again, I hope you enjoy this product and feel free to email me if you have any questions.